Hello everyone, this is Princey, and today we will be learning how to look up the value based on multiple criteria. Usually, when we use the lookup functions like VLOOKUP, we do it basis just the one criteria. So let's see how to do it. Here we have a data table with date, region, product, and the sales amount of that product in that region on a particular date. So here our objective is to get the sales amount in this green cell basis the values which we enter here. So let's see how to do it. So we'll say X lookup. Now, lookup value. Lookup value basically means what we are looking for. So we will say 1. We are looking for 1. I'll explain you why we are saying it as 1 instead of the values like date, region, and product. We'll understand this. Comma, lookup array. Now we will enter the multiple criterias. We will give the multiple range for different criteria. So let's open the bracket. Lookup range. So where do we want to look up for the date? We want to look up for the date in this column. And what should be the date? It should be equal to this cell. Bracket close. Then the asterisk sign. Again, bracket open. Region. Where do we want to look up for the region? In this column, equal to the this cell. It should be equal to this cell, comma, asterisk sign. Then product, we want to look up for the product in this column. Let's put the bracket also in the beginning, and let's say equal to this. We want the product to be equal to this cell. Then bracket close. Since we have only three criterias, we have entered the range for all the three criterias, and also we have given the criterias here. After the equal to, we have given the criterias. Then let's say comma, return array. Now what do we want to return? We want to return the sales amount. So we'll select the sales amount column. Then let's say comma, if not found. What do we want to return? If these are not found in the table. So let's say please enter correct details. Close and then match model. So we want an exact match. So we'll say 0. Search mode. We want to search from first to last. So let's say 1 and bracket close. And here, see, we have got the sales for this date, which is this one, region north, product ink pen, and we have got this sales value. Now, let us understand why did I enter 1 in the lookup value. This is because it is working basis the Boolean logic. So let us understand in detail. So let us understand in detail. So in Boolean logic, for true, true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. So for every column, every criteria, it will create a table like this. It will create one table like this. So it will look up for that date. 1 Jan is there, so it will say yes, 1. Then north is there, it will say 1. Then ink pen is there, yes, ink pen is there here, 1. Then again it will look for it in 1 Jan, yes. Region is south here, but we have north here, so we'll say 0. Then in ink pen is there, so we will say 1. Similarly, like 1 Jan, so we'll say 1. Then north region is there, we'll say 1, but product is not matching, so 0. Then again, date is matching, region is matching, notebooks, no, it is ink pen. This is matching. Region is not matching, product is matching, date is not matching. Let's put it up to here because dates are from 2nd Jan. We are looking for 1 Jan. Then for South 0, East 0, 0. So like this, it will fill the table. It will create one table. 0. Then markers 0, 0, 0. For ink pen, it will say 1. And for others, it will say 0. So like this, it will create one table. Now it will see all the combinations. Since we have said that we want to look up for all the three criteria and then return a value. So it will see whether all are matching. So if all are matching, it will return 1. Otherwise, even if like one of them is not matching, it will return 0. So in all these, it will return 0. And then since we have said here that we are looking for 1, so it will at the end it will create this final column, and then we are saying that we are looking for 1, so it will look up for this and then it will return this. I hope you liked the video and understood the concept. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts regarding this function. In the upcoming videos as well, we will be exploring more ways to use the XLOOKUP function. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.